Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're having an amazing day and I hope you're all doing well. In this video, what I'll be explaining to you guys is how you can cancel your Wolt Plus subscription. So let's get right into it. Wolt Plus is a monthly subscription service through which you will have a zero delivery fee for certain restaurants in your area, and it's quite a good service since you pay a certain price each month, and after a few deliveries it starts paying for itself since you get free deliveries the entire month. Now, however, if you want to cancel this subscription, if you don't order that much or that often, what you can do is after you have subscribed, you can go into your profile tab here, and I don't have that subscription currently. However, if you do, you will have a Wolt Plus tab somewhere here through which you will have a cancel subscription option. You just have to click on that, possibly even enter some more data. However, I don't know if you will need to. I think you can just cancel it right then and there. Possibly provide some feedback if they want to know why you're canceling, if you want to provide it, and that is pretty much it. By clicking on cancel, it should be canceled already, and I think you will have the rest of the month free. However, the next month money won't be deducted from your account, and that is pretty much it. After you do that, you will no longer be subscribed to Wolt Plus, which means that following the following month, all your orders will have a price attached to them. Some might not. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope that you learned something new, and I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you guys in another video.